The truth is, if AI sounds like a stranger and anybody could have got that output, it's because you haven't introduced yourself. Now, poll prompting is crazy powerful, but if you really want to master AI, you need to make it personal to you. The way to think about a master prompt, it's kind of like a manual about a part of your life. So if there was like a manual called Dan CEO, what would be in that manual? If there was one called Dan Father, what would be in that manual? Well, I would assume they would have everything about me, my life, the people in my life, how things are structured, what we sell. When you have these master prompts and you use it to give it to the AI, because you might switch to different ones, then it'll give you better answers. Because right now, if you don't, it's not personalized to you. It's just giving you generic auto completion instead of something that is laser focused to your exact situation. And remember earlier when I talked about giving it context, this is the context. And if you do it once, you never have to do it again. And it makes prompting so much easier and faster. You can say, I want to create a master prompt for my role as whatever your role is in life, father, husband, VP of marketing, and ask me all the questions you need to create it for me. See how we're going to have it pull from me? Now it's going to give you all these questions so they can create this document. And that's where you use the voice to text feature and just answer each one conversationally. And third, once AI gives you your master prompt, go through it and just refine anything that doesn't feel right. And you can literally just talk to it and say like, update this, add this, you're missing that, you didn't understand this properly. And it'll literally update the whole thing for you. The last part is to save it as a PDF. And I like to just call the master prompt and then the role name. So I have them on my hard drive. And that way, when I'm using different AI tools, I can always upload it so that it has perfect context on my situation in life. The truth is, if AI sounds like a stranger and anybody could have got that output, it's because you haven't introduced yourself. The master prompt is how you say, hello AI, this is who I am. The cool part is, like I said, you can use it in other tools. This gets an AI from stranger to best friend. You have a way to give the context to the AI so that you guys are best friends.